wearing something silver, but I never saw her face. When I walked a little closer, there was nothing in the street, only footprints in the water, disappearing at my feet. Then I heard a voice behind me, soft as whispers through the rain. Someone called my name so clearly, but no one was there. There's a woman in the rain, and she's calling me again. Every night she waits for me, where the empty streets begin. I can feel her watching me, though I never see her face. And the colder that I run, the closer she becomes. Every window shows a shadow, every doorway holds a light. I keep walking through the city, but the streets don't feel the same. There's an old clock on a building, stopped at exactly 2:15. And whenever midnight comes, I hear footsteps underneath. Then I hear that voice again, coming softly through the rain. It remembers things I've forgotten. It keeps calling out my name. There's a woman in the rain, and she's calling me again. Every night she waits for me, where the empty streets begin. I can feel her watching me, though I never see her face. And the colder that I run, the closer she becomes. Maybe she was here before me, maybe I was here before. Maybe somewhere in this city we have met 1,000 times. I touched the glass of an old window, and I saw her standing there. But when I turned around to find her, I was standing all alone. There's a woman in the rain, and she's calling me again. Now I know the voice she's using. It's the voice inside my head. I can feel her walking with me. Every shadow knows her name. And tonight I won't keep running. I'll turn around and face the rain. She was standing there, smiling through the rain. And suddenly I knew she was me.